Hey folks, just wanted to show you my old hard drive collection. I've been wanting to get rid of these drives for a while, and just one last shot at copying the information off of them before I throw them into the garbage. Essentially, they're about 30 years old. This one has a date code of 9123. You can see some of the chips there, 9116, 9107. So this is 1991, which is now 30 years old. The drives themselves are quite small. I believe this one's about 40 megabytes. This is probably around 30 or 40. This one happens to be 128. This one here is 120. And this one here is 99. So altogether, probably not even 500 megabytes, which can easily fit on this USB key right here. This is a 1 gig key. I use this computer because it's one of the only ones I have that actually has an IDE port. If you look way down in there, you'll notice, I'll zoom in, there's a lot of SATA ports, and most of the newer motherboards have that. So I had to dig out this old machine because it had one IDE port left on it, and I hooked up a cable to the drives. You can see the cable here. It's connected up here to the IDE ports. These are all the IDE, old style ports, and I was able to boot up Linux, Ubuntu 64-bit right there. So you can see it here on the screen, and I managed to be able to mount that volume. So that's the 128 meg volume that's connected now, that old hard drive. And I've got the 1 gig USB key connected, so I'll be able to just copy the stuff off. There's nothing too interesting here. Just wanted to see what's left on this drive. If I do properties, you can see it's only 13% used. It's just a few files left over from when I had DOS installed on this thing. I believe there could have been a Windows on here at one point, because there's a Win swap file, probably Windows 3.1 or something. But right now it's basically just garbage, so I can safely trash this thing. I don't really care about it. But there you have it. Just wanted to show you how I managed to connect up these old drives. Now, you might be wondering, what about a dedicated cable? You know, I do have one that connects from a USB directly to either SATA, IDE, or some other connectors. The only thing is that didn't work for these drives. For some reason, it works great reading SATA drives, but it could not pick up or detect these drives. And so, you know, I don't know if the cable's at fault, or if I buy another cable, if I'll have the same issue. So I decided just to use this old computer for now, and I'll just basically boot up another session each time, loading up another drive, and then pretty soon I'll have them all backed up, because there's such tiny amounts of data on them, and they'll be ready for the garbage. Now, if you think there's any value to these, please let me know in the comments. I don't know what I can do with them, to be honest. They're just taking up space. The data on them is, you know, if I grab it off of the drive, that's all I need. If anything, they're probably not much use anyway. But I don't think I have much use for them, and I don't know if they could be used for anything else at this point. So the trash, maybe I can salvage the magnets from these. I might do a teardown video so you can see what's inside these old drives. But that's about it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it some thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and just let me know in the comments what you think. We'll hopefully see a teardown of these fairly soon. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.